Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD, ABCD and some numbers. Let's start. Green color. A for apple, A for avocado. B for banana, B for ball. C for cap, C for cat. D for dog, D for dragon fruit. E for egg, E for eggplant. Yellow color. F for fruits, F for flowers. G for guava, G for guitar. H for house, H for home. I for eyes, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jug. So kids, now time to learn some numbers. Blue color. 1, O-N-E, 1. 2, T-W-O, 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Orange color. 6, S-I-X, 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9, N-I-N-E, 9. 10, T-E-N, 10. So kids, what we learned today? Green color, blue color, yellow color and orange color. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.